So guys, what is up? And today, this is a big subject. I know a lot of you want this. We are going to be going over Discord Nitro. So, Discord Nitro, I assume most of you know what it is. It's a paid service by Discord where you can have a bunch of different features and things just to make your Discord experience better. Now, we're not going to go full depth onto what Discord Nitro is in this video because what we're going to be doing is how to get it for free. Now, there are a ton of servers, in fact most of the servers out there that say they give away Discord Nitro don't actually give away the code or whatever it is to use the Discord Nitro. So giveaways is what we're going to be going over with this, but since I've been on Discord for a while, I know that there are a few servers that actually legitimately do it. Now, one of those servers is actually sponsoring this video, it's a really cool server. It's an up and coming server, and there's a spamming channel, and there's React roles, and there's giveaways. Now here's what we're going to be looking at today. What they give away $10, which might not seem like a lot, but that can go towards your Discord Nitro. So all you have to do is, these are really easy things, and you can get Discord Nitro with that money. You can go towards there, and so that's basically for free because you don't actually have to pay for anything. Another one that I know is called Customs Magical World. If you go on any Discord server list, it's probably going to be there. It's a pretty big server, and so any of those server lists, it'll be there. And there, how it works is, on Customs Magical World, is you can buy a bunch of different things, which with coins that you earn by typing messages. So the more active you are, then the more coins you get, and the more coins you get, then the more things you can buy, like Discord Nitro. On here, what you have to do is, first you have to join the server, and then you got to invite 5 players, be active, which is just generally be nice in the community, and then you react to the emoji, and you do all the other rules, and it's honestly really easy to do it, and so you can really easily get Discord Nitro from this. This is a great server to be on. It's a ton of fun. They have a bunch of events and stuff that they do. It's a ton of fun, and I personally know the owner. He's a really nice guy. So definitely join this server. It's up and coming, and you should probably join it now because there's gonna be probably hundreds of people that join, and the faster you join, then that means the higher chance that you have to get that Discord Nitro. So definitely join this server, and giveaways is the biggest thing. So join this server and join Customs Magical World. Those are two very good servers. One last thing to mention, guys. If you want to join either of these servers, I'm going to have both of the links in the description so that you can check these out, and I promise you're going to have a ton of fun, and they're not scams. I completely promise you. I can vouch for them 100%. So, yeah. Anyways, back to the video. Promise you they aren't scams, but don't click on any other server that says they're going to give you Discord Nitro for free, or it's really easy to do it. Don't click on that because they're scams and they're not actually going to do anything for you. So I'm happy I went over this topic, and I hope you guys have a great day and you get Discord Nitro. It's going to be a ton of fun to have it. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to smile.